Hey folks, it's May 26th, 2020, around about 3:43 p.m. Central, 4:43 Eastern. Markets are closed. Let's start with the summarized expectation of the potential path for the next 24 hours or so. Basically, we have a CID at close, and then we have a CID on the daily cycles at 8 p.m. There's a good chance we actually hit the low right at the towards the close, and the 8 p.m. Would be a retest of these lows. And the worst case scenario is roughly 2984 at the 8 p.m. CIT, and then kind of joining the blue path. Uh, this is not in any ways reflection of price or time, just direction. But I do think tomorrow's candle is most likely an inside day unless we take out this level roughly around 3016. So the movement might be slow, but remember the cycles have expanded. The monthlies are in control right now. So if we take this out, then in essence the markets are kind of grinding higher. So I don't know which one it's gonna be. My best case estimate is that it's an inside day. So we're gonna get narrow movement. So obviously this path is summarized based on me reviewing everything else that I'll share with you. But when I start out, um, I think you might appreciate what to expect. Okay, so looking at the monthly VIX cycles, we had kind of known from the models that we are going to clear out the upper end. I said early next week, and today was the first trading day of the week. We remain perched above the mid of the midline and the bullish line, so that condition still holds. And look at what I was projecting for the midline. It's now actually cleared the MAMO for the very first time. Okay, so still moving higher. I don't see any breaches to the bullish side. On the daily cycles, once again, we had said we're going to clear these out, and then there's going to be a give back. The intraday guidance this morning in the chat room also suggested give back cycle, although pretty much we did not have any sell signals most of the day. But I was seeing it in the cycles that it's coming, and sometimes I'm right, and other times when waves are expanding like they are right now, it doesn't work. The cycles, lower cycles get consumed by higher cycles. So that's the bar from today. Still pretty positive close above 0.382 above and then clearing 0.618. Obviously, it's opened up higher targets here again, seeing similar targets in SSG as well. And the pivot here for any kind of untoward reaction, as against what I'm seeing in the analysis is 2960.86. So that's kind of the bottom line right now. Shorter cycles, I had mentioned on Sunday that we are most likely going to follow the path as is into Thursday. And I wasn't spotting inversion, so I do spot an inversion once again somewhere around here. That's to be tackled later on. So, you know, this is the reason I actually got out pre-market, and in retrospect, that was the right decision. I did reacquire the longs to the close as it fell around 28.90 or so, sorry, 29.90 or so. And I'll potentially look to add if I get either a lower low or a retest low again at 8 p.m. at the first smart CIT. Still expecting the market to kind of stay afloat into Wednesday or Thursday. So, one possibility is we kind of hit a higher high tomorrow, and that might mean the inversion is in play, and this actually might end up becoming a low CIT. So I don't know which one it's gonna be, but the extent of this cycle decline, as it shows, for now is worrisome from a short-term trading perspective. So we'll have to handle this. We'll figure it out by then. Um, and here's the Mishan model, an obvious failure towards the close, but again, it does not bother the higher degree cycles. We literally have a sell on hourly, so once again, at best, I think we see sell off after hours today, and then whatever the sell off is, it should recover out. Same thing, sell on hourlies. Suggested buy point is 2984.94 by the model, followed by 2971.92. As per this model, this would be the breach of 2971.92 could lead to a steeper fall into 2944.19. That's where the next higher degree cycle above higher hourlies kind of supports the market. New targets generated, 3032.93, 3046.72, weekly at 2992.74, and that actually created another upside target of 3065.22. So once this is exceeded, if that were to happen, something really wacky could happen to the upside. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but that's what the model says. Um, so that's kind of the update, and let's see how it shakes out over the next 24 hours or so. Good luck, folks.